Hi family, welcome back to my channel. This is a brand new day and I bring to you another recipe. This is so simple and it was so delicious and I hope you give it a try. So here we have some onions, potatoes and spinach. I'll go ahead and peel the potatoes, then also the onions, then we continue with the rest of it. I'm done with the peeling, so I'll go ahead and cut the potatoes into pieces. You can cut it into cubes, any shape that you want. We are not creating any perfect shape. Then you do same to the onions. You cut it into any shape that you want. Bring your potatoes to a boil and you add some amount of salt. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil into a saucepan. Then you add your onions for the preparation of the spinach sauce. Allow it to simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. Then you add your cooking cream and you allow it to cook for extra 5 minutes. The potatoes is ready, so you strain the water and set it aside. The sauce has been cooking for 5 minutes, so you check on it and add some spices. I added some basil, sage, black pepper, oregano, and salt. Add the spinach and allow it to simmer for about 3 minutes. Because it will be going into the oven, I don't want it to cook so long so that I will not lose all the nutrients in it. Our sauce is also ready. It's time to put everything together, so I'll first of all put some of the sauce at the base, then I'll add the potatoes and add the rest of the sauce to it. Then I'll also go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese to it. Spread it evenly so that all the potatoes will be covered. Shake it to remove any bubbles from it. Then you put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 250 degrees. Then our potatoes and spinach is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.